Hello everyone, you have Royce here again, and welcome to our channel Sansevieria 101. So for this episode, it's again another inflorescence coming from a hybrid named Wicha Gold, and it is a hybrid coming from Thailand. Other than that, we have very limited information about this specific hybrid. We don't know the breeder and we don't know the parentage. If someone knows about the breeder of this hybrid or the parentage, please do comment on the comment sections below. So regarding this plant, I'm going to describe its inflorescence. Before I shown this clip, I have shown you pictures of the budding stages up to the blooming stages of this Sansevieria hybrid. So I took the picture first. The first picture that I took was on January 20th, 2023, and then ended up taking the last picture on February 13th, 2023. So it took about 24 to 25 days for this specific inflorescence to complete its full bloom stages. So with regards to the appearance of this inflorescence, the flower stalk height is at 10 inches. Flower tube are almost uniform, an inch from the bottom part to the middle part and the topmost portion. There's a insignificance of the difference. The flower cluster is about 6 to 5 flowers in a cluster, and I think that's it for the this flower stalk characteristics. Alright everyone, so this is the current update of the Sansevieria hybrid inflorescence of the Wicha Gold. This is how it looks. It is a silvery hybrid, and then it has some very interesting characteristics, namely the new leaves coming from it. If it's newly grown, it would be of yellowish color, but with this particular specimen, that's already impossible because it has already bloomed. So in Sansevierias, when the plants bloom, they stop growing at this point. This is where the growth stops, so no new leaves has grown since it has bloomed. There is I'm focusing right now, so no new leaves will grow from that core. And this is the wilted flower stalk. What it will do though is it will start growing somewhere else. It will start growing pops from below it or from its stem. So like I mentioned, it is named Wicha Gold because when the new leaves are formed or you have new pops, they would seem to be variegated or yellowish in color. They're not that yellowish in this specimen, but if you can see other Wicha Golds, you will see that the new leaves will grow very yellowish, then it will turn into pale green, then the older leaves are going to be darker green. Well, it's paler than the normal Sansevierias, but darker compared to the newer growth on its leaves. So let's focus on what the Wicha Gold leaves looks like on the abaxial side or the top side of the leaf. So that's how it looks like. Very interesting pattern. So there are like faint longitudinal lines that you can see. There are some faint bandings. It looks like a white variegation on the leaves, making it paler. But as the leaves grow older, they will turn into dark green. So this is the specimen that we've shown that has already bloomed, and I was able to successfully cross-pollinate it with another Sansevieria hybrid It's a Filipino hybrid called Sansevieria Banahaw, and I will be featuring that next on the Sansevieria Inflorescence. That way I can take note of the sequence where I have pollinated the Sansevierias that I'm featuring. So in the future, I can look back and I can easily track down which hybrids I have cross-pollinated, because they will be featured next to each other, so that I would have some sort of a note of which ones I have paired. It's kind of confusing when you have lots of Sansevierias flowering and blooming, and you have all sorts of cross pollinations going on. So it's very hard to track down. All right, so there are the new pups. They look like variegated, but as they grow older, they will be darker in coloration. All right, so that's the reason, folks, why it's called the Wicha Gold. And this is a hybrid from Thailand. We don't have any information as to the parentage or the breeder of this plant. But if someone views the clip, or seen our feature for Wicha Gold, if you know the parentage of this plant or the breeder, kindly put in the comments below on this specific episode. All right, so next clip I'm going to show you another version of or another specimen of Wicha Gold, but this clip will be it's how the leaf propagations would look like. Alright, folks, so like I mentioned, I will be showing you how the leaf propagation of Wicha Gold looks like. So we're assuming that this Sansevieria is a hybrid. It's from Thailand, I think, and it's named Wicha Gold, and this is the how the leaf propagation looks like. So I mentioned that the new leaves are kind of light in coloration, kind of yellowish. These ones have already darkened out, so they're not yellowish anymore. But new leaves should be lighter in color and yellowish when they first sprout from the core of this plant. Alright, so this is the how the leaf propagation looks like of Wicha Gold. So folks, if you like the content, please do click on the or hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you, everyone.